Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to show link preview before you click on any links in your Telegram app. This is one of the best privacy security settings you need to give to your Telegram app right now in order to avoid phishing link or scam link on your Telegram account. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Telegram app. Click on this three slider from the top corner. Proceed to settings. Scroll down right here. Privacy and security. Scroll all the way down from the bottom right here. Enable this. It's that simple. Link preview will generate on Telegram server. We do not store any data about the link you send. It's that simple. For more tutorial about how best to secure your Telegram app, privacy and security setting in Telegram, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.